Hey, what is going on, guys? It's the Crypto Monkey back at it again. It has been a while. Market has done some crazy stuff since I've been here. I've been watching it every day, watching other YouTubers. I feel nothing that I had to say was that newsworthy, other than I feel like I've been pretty consistent with the TAs that I've been doing. As you can see here, there's just lines drawn everywhere, but I've been keeping up with them, watching this market on the daily. Obviously, if anyone who knows me, I'm pretty heavily invested into crypto. Probably 80% of my total assets. I mean, 80, I'm all in, man. I'm living off beans and cornbread. Just kidding, cornbread's too expensive. So, as you can see right here, basically, I've been tracking this right now. I'll zoom out a little so y'all have a bigger picture. I see us doing this pennant type deal, but it's a descending triangle at the top of the pennant, which I'm not too worried about. I think it's a giant pennant, and I think we should stay maybe within this. This is one of the bullish scenarios that I have pulled up. We are in this descending channel, this big bull flag. That's this bottom support, which is also up here. Oh, that doesn't match up, does it? Here, let me correct that. All right, so right there and right there. So that's going to be the bull flag that we're sitting in right now. Make that clear. Boom. Descending. We're in all kinds of triangles, man. We broke the bottom support of this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and get it out of here. Way too many lines going on. So if we hop over to another Bitcoin chart, I'm going to show you the bearish scenario, and a scenario that I've been in the back of my head feeling like this may be what's about to happen. I'm a moon boy, a Bitcoin moon boy, so I feel like, we're just got to complete this big triangle right here to zoom out a little more. And yeah, nobody's really talking about this. So let me hop on over to this other chart. So this other chart is what I've been predicting. I drew this back in probably mid-June is what I said when we were going on that huge run right here. I was telling my buddy XRP Wild Horse YouTube channel, check him out. I was telling him we're going up way too fast. We're about to do a major correction, and sure enough, that's what happened. Just like we did in the beginning, or in the end of 2017, beginning of 2018. So what we have done right here is create this giant symmetric triangle that we are in with support way back here, and it stays very true. If you pull open a log scale, it goes all the way down here. The support does. So looking at the chart again, this is the bearish scenario. If this were to play out, I project this to come all the way down here, and then we find our bottom support down here around $5,000, $5,200. We do a little bounce up. We may even come all the way back up and then all the way back down, as sick as this crypto game has been going. So in the end, this is just lines drawn at the end of the day. Shot in the dark. September of 2020, I have us, approaching the all-time highs again. That's the bearish scenario. Bullish scenario is we are in a big ass pennant right here. Hopefully something like that. Get the descending part, the descending channel. Descending triangle out of the way. Descending triangles are bad. So yeah, zoom out. That's the daily. Look at the weekly. Guys, this is just going to be a long haul. In the end, I do see us Bitcoin going up to, definitely past all-time highs, $50,000, $100,000 Bitcoin. Who knows the time frame? Everyone's bullish on it. Since everyone's bullish on it, the market tends to do opposite of what everyone else is expecting the market to do. Everyone expects the market to go up from here, so I'm a bull man, but I feel like we could definitely come down here, test the $7,000 support, and if we don't hold there, we could go all the way down to 4,500. I've been saying this. We did have a run up to almost $14,000, but I've been saying we're probably going to be in this bear market for a long time. You can check out my last video. It's more of a you can check it out. I kind of expected something like this. I didn't expect to run up to $14,000, but since it did, it kind of painted a clear picture of a symmetric triangle that we have. Now, guys, this is all TA fundamentals. I've kind of just been leaving those out. No matter how great news you can have out there that comes out one day, it's not really going to sway the price from what I've seen. And if anything, people are just selling the news. So, in my eyes, we're probably in a bear market, probably going to drop down. We may not drop all the way down to 4,700, and if we plummeted right now, we could probably come all the way down to, low fours. But let's not do that. Let's try to stay bullish. Hopefully, this is a big bullish bull pennant right here, and hopefully we just break out of it and pursue our new all-time highs. Now, that is about all I have got. It's been a long time, and I'm sure I could go on and on and on about the alts, about the losses, about the bleeding, and it's just blood. It's a bloodbath out there, and I'm sure so many of you have just lost so much money. Well, I have lost so much money, and I went ahead and counted my losses on most of my alts. Cashed out on about 60 different of the alts that I had invested in about a year and a half ago. Took what losses it was disgusting and very upsetting. Even though some of these alts may bounce back, a lot of them will definitely not. So I put all my money in Bitcoin and some of my money in Ethereum and very small portion into XRP. I'm still bagging my Tron, and I'm still bagging Cardano. I'm still bagging Neo. Anywho, I could go on and on about the alts, but guys, that's really all I've got, and I just want to touch base, let you know what I'm looking at into 2020, and hopefully we can do something more bullish way before 2020, and hopefully we can go on a bull run and all make some good money for Christmas. So guys, that's all I got. Until next time, I will come back with another video. Who knows when it'll be, but I will be in touch, guys. The Crypto Monkey, I am over and out. And make sure y'all do hop over and check out XRP Wild Horse on YouTube. He is a newer YouTuber, but it's one of my buddies that I grew up with, one of my best friends, and he is obviously Moon Boy on XRP and very bullish on XRP, and he's always swaying me, so that's part of the reason I hold the XRP that I do. So yep, check him out, guys. Until then, I will see y'all next time. Peace out.